These are the top 25 tool deals that I found at Lowe's for Black Friday. You want to shop these deals early so you can save big this Black Friday. And you can do that by using the links in the description, the pinned comment, and that shop button right here on YouTube. Thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring this video. You don't want to miss a single one of these deals. They're awesome. Let's go. First on the list, always a very popular deal when this goes on sale at this price. And we're talking $100 off. This is the DeWALT XR Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. You get the multi-tool. You get a few extra blades. You also get the battery and the charger in the case. It was $199. Now it's only $99. This is a great deal. It's always very popular. This may sell out. Next up, various sizes of Jorgensen parallel clamps are on sale. They always say woodworkers can't have too many clamps. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. These parallel clamps, there's various sizes here that you can choose from. 12, 18, 30, 36 are all on sale. So it just depends on what size you're looking for and what projects you're using them on. I like the 30 and 36 inch clamps for most things around the shop, like cutting boards and things like that. If you're into tables, tabletops, you may want to get bigger or longer clamps here. But these are on a great sale if you're looking to add more clamps to your shop. If you don't have any, I would recommend 4 to start out with, and then you can grow from there. Probably one of my favorite additions to the shop recently are these little mini Kobalt toolboxes, and there's various colors here. They're only $20. What do you use them for? I keep drill bits in them. Perfect for drill bits and router bits and small parts, things like that. These are just awesome just to keep little small parts organized so you can find them easier, and you can choose from multiple different colors here. They're only $20. There's a 3-drawer version that's sold out, so you may want to look at these 2-drawer because I suspect these might also sell out. Only $20. Next up, the DeWALT DWS 779 miter saw, a full 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. I love this saw. I've had this model since 2017. It is one of the best miter saws on the market, in my opinion. Right now, it's $100 off. It was $599, down to $499. Plus, you get the free stand with it. This is an adjustable miter saw stand, a retail value of $229 for free when you buy this saw. Just a great deal. This is a workhorse of a saw. If you're looking for something that's going to last you for years, this is my pick. You know how you can't have enough clamps? You can also not have enough bits because you're always losing them or breaking them or whatever. And this is a great deal right now. The DeWALT 110-piece drill and driver bit set. You get 4 cases with various bits in them. This is great. I have this set too. I bought this a while back. At this price, $25. It was $49. You got to pick this up. If you don't have nailers in the shop, this is one of the things that kind of level things up for me when I got my nailer set. This is a Kobalt 6-gallon pancake air compressor, and you get 3 nailers, and you get the hose that comes with it. So you don't have to, this is a complete set. So you're getting the compressor, you're getting the 16 gauge, the 18 gauge, and the 23 gauge pin nailer, plus the hose. So you're going to be set up. It was $299, now all the way down to $199. Just a solid deal here. Now, this is my pick for the best budget table saw on the market. I reviewed this a couple of years ago on the channel. This is a Skil 10-inch, 15-amp table saw. 3 things I love about this saw, or 4. Number 1, the price, especially right now. It's on sale. It was $299, down to $279. Number 2, the fence stays square. It's rack and pinion. In other words, it's gear-driven, so you're not going to have to worry about it not being square. It is a great, great fence. Number 3 is a full 10-inch size table saw. So you're getting that 10-inch blade for that max cut depth. And finally, the power. The power on this, it is plenty powerful enough. I cut through 2-inch thick walnut like it was nothing. This is a good solid deal for a beginner or budget level table saw for $279. I don't think there's another one on the market that beats it. This is a solid deal here for $199, plus you get a free starter kit with this, which means you're getting a 2.5 amp hour battery and a charger with this Flex 1.5 horsepower compact router or trim router. These are I have this router set actually. It is a great little router to have in the shop. If you don't have one and you want to pick one up, this is a good one. Plenty of power to do most anything you're going to want to do with a trim router. And or if you're also looking to pick up a very, very good deal on a cordless tool set, this is the Flex 2-tool brushless tool combo. You're getting the drill, the impact, plus 2 batteries and the charger When you add this to the cart, the retail price on this is $199. It goes all the way down to $99. This is a fantastic deal, and you can see it's a very popular deal as 1,000 people have bought this already this week. So if you're in the market, this is a good one. If you're in the DeWALT platform, though, this is your deal. You get two 4 amp hour batteries, two 2 amp hour batteries for $199. But you also get to choose a free tool. And my pick, personally, is the DeWALT XR brushless router. I have this router also. I love this. It's actually my little mini router table, but as a trim router, it's a fantastic router. But you can also choose from Jigsaw, a 3/8 inch impact. There's a heat gun, a 1/4 inch impact. So there's a lot of tools to choose from with this combo kit. Now, I've seen these little giant ladders around and advertised for years and never really thought a whole lot about it until I got one in April. These things are really nice. They fold up, nice compact storage, and they fold out. This one's a 14.3 foot reach ladder with a 300 pound capacity, and it's on sale. It was $169, now down to $94. If you need a good ladder around the house, this is it. Another DeWALT combo kit here on sale. It was $229 all the way down to $149. And this is the DeWALT 20 volt max 2 tool. These are brushless tools as well. And you do get 2 batteries, 2 amp hour batteries, the charger, the drill, the impact, plus the carry case for only $149. There are more amazing tool deals you absolutely don't want to miss. And if you don't like missing tool deals, I hate missing a good deal. If you text the word deals to 731-207-7151, I text out the best of the best tool deals when I find them so that you don't miss them. I don't text super early or late, so you don't have to worry about that, and I'm not going to spam you, but you will get notified when there's an amazing deal so you don't miss it. Now, speaking of amazing deals, check these out. A couple of tool storage options for you to choose from right here. Kobalt CASESTACK. This is the rolling toolbox 3-box set. The black and blue looks good. I'm telling you, it just looks good. $50 off right now. You can get it for only $169. If you need to get your tools more organized and kept safe in transport, this may be what you want to look at. Or if you just like black and red better, check out the Craftsman Trade Stack. Very similar style box, the rolling 3-box set, but this one's black and red. So it really depends on what color you're looking for. It was $199 down to $149. Next up, the DeWALT DW735X, probably one of the better benchtop planers ever made. $599. This is regularly priced around $700. At $599, a very good deal. It rarely ever goes lower than this. You're getting the extension tables because this is the X model and the extra blades, plus that DW735. This is one of the better woodworking tools that DeWALT makes, the DW735X. It has been a workhorse in a lot of shops for a long time. $599 is a great deal. Kobalt has this adjustable height workbench on sale. It was $349, saved $70 right now at only $279. Again, adjustable height, metal frame, solid wood top. It's a great deal. Couple of hand tool options for you to pick from. This is Kobalt's 297 piece. This is SAE and metric, and it does come with this nice little carrying case and toolbox. I like this because you're able to keep up with your stuff so that 10mm socket doesn't run away. Maybe you see the empty space, you're like, I know where it's at. You got to go get it and put it back. Was $149, now only $99. I like the black and the blue, but maybe you like the black and the red. Craftsman has their 230 piece sale. Was $199. This is $100 off at $99. This is a good deal. This is a 230 piece, also SAE and metric set. So if you need a hand tool set, depending on what color or options you're looking for, one of these may be the way to go. DeWALT has their brushless random orbital sander, cordless sander on sale for $79 or $80 off. It was $179, now all the way down to $99. Plus, you get the battery and the charger. If you're looking for a cordless sander, this is a solid deal here at $99. Next up, if you need more organization for your shop, plus it also has a solid wood worktop on here, 9-drawer rolling workbench from Kobalt. It was $498, now all the way down to $398. And I love that black and blue color, but there also is various other colors: blue, white, red, green, and the gray is sold out, which makes me wonder, is these going to start selling out as well? This may be one of those hot deals that start selling out. It does say that it is a bestseller, so it's selling well. You may want to check it out. If you just need a good drill around the house or an extra one in the shop, this is DeWALT. It's also a bestseller. It's the 20 volt max half-inch brushless cordless drill. It does come with a battery and a charger for only $99. It was $159, now all the way down to $99. Good solid deal here for a good drill. Or if you also want an impact in there with your drill, this Extreme kit, this is a 12 volt max XR brushless drill and impact kit. You're getting the drill, the impact, 2 batteries, and the charger plus the case for only $199. Plus, you get to add that free half-inch cordless impact as well. If you're in the Craftsman battery platform, or you just want to add a very nice tool to the shop that's very useful, this is the Craftsman 20 volt 2-pack 4 amp hour starter kit. And you get to choose a free tool depending on what you need. My pick, if you need one, would be to add that variable brushless speed router. That's where you can get a router for your shop, 2 batteries for only $99. This is a good solid deal here. You got to check this out. Now, some say this isn't a tool, but this is a very good tool. My stomach's growling right now. We have a pellet grill and use it all the time. I love smoking ribs and brisket on there, and this one, 5,000 people have bought this in the last week. $150 off. It was $549, now down to $399. This, I love smoking meats on my grill, so if you don't have one of these, it may be the time to check this out, especially at this price. It's a solid deal here from Pit Boss. Next up are security cameras. If you need to add security to your shop or your home, the Ring Video Doorbell is on sale for $80 off at Lowe's. This was $229, now down to $149. I like this one right here, the Spotlight Cam Plus. This is a battery-operated camera. It was on $169, now down to $109. So if you need to add some shop security, the camera right here might be the way to go, or the front door there. So if you're in the shop working and somebody rings the doorbell, you'll at least know they're there. Don't forget, all of these deals that I showed are linked in the description and the pinned comment to help you find them easier. If you like this video, you should check that one out right there. I think you'll like it. Click on that box, get you the big old virtual fist bump.